Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. After so many days, I'm back with another video.
And my apology for not uploading videos regularly because the past day was rainy plus lazy, but today
Keep watching to see what I cook today. First of all, I'll cook this fish head. So this is dry red chili, salt, and this is fermented bamboo shoot juice. Add some more water. Bring it to boil. So the remaining fish I will fry. So in order to fry the fish, first I will marinate turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. I would like to add dhania powder, pinch. Mix it well and marinate for at least 30 minutes. While fish is cooking, I will prepare this for another recipe. This is taro stem.
fish are almost cooked. Now I will take out red chili, make paste and put it back. For garnishing, I will use sichuan pepper and garlic. Simmer for a few minutes and it will be ready.
Now I'll make this taro leaf for taro leaf first.
Ground chili and salt.
Add more water. Bamboo shoot juice.
After boiling this only, I'll put taro leaves. It is boiled already. Now I will put taro leaves and stem and cover the lid until it is cooked properly. At the same time, I will also fry marinated fish. Fish fry is ready to be served. Now I will check taro stem. It is cooked already. Now I'll finish it with garlic paste.
So today I cooked this fish fry, fish with bamboo shoot juice. This is taro stem curry. This is egg zone chutney.
So finally my lunch is ready.
Rice, fish fry, fish curry, taro stem curry. This is egg zone chutney.
And this is the final look of my lunch plate. See you in my next video. Bye.